Hi, I'm David Bates.
My name is Warren Jones.
Hi, my name is Burl Bradford.
We had a tornado. As soon as we cleaned up the tornado, then we had a pandemic.
We just feel like that's our job, to come in and help out.
And then this winter storm.
Water still coming into the buildings, pipes bursting, ceiling tile falling.
I was on call and the phone was just rapping off the wall, literally up all night just trying to make sure that our teams were in the places they needed to be most.
Well, we chose to work around the clock because we knew that it was a priority to have these schools up and going.
But today we really wanted to recognize those folks who went above and beyond in terms of trying to get those schools back open.
I can't thank you enough for the job that you do for me and for our school district.
One of my very favorite quotes is "Praise the bridge that carried you over." And right now today, we have students in classrooms, teachers teaching. I was just in a school this morning, and we would not be there if you hadn't built the bridge to bring us back. It's not just the people who work inside the district that make this happen, it's our entire community, including the Dallas Education Foundation.
The Dallas Education Foundation has partnered with Atmos. Atmos Energy knows what it's like to have their folks work around the clock, and they partnered with the Dallas Education Foundation to provide each of you with a gift card to Cavender's Western Wear. You do this for no other reason than your commitment to our students and our schools. And for that, we are incredibly appreciative and grateful.
It feels good to be recognized for what we do here.
And I just am so appreciative of the Dallas Education Foundation.